We just had serious heavy rains yesterday, and I came out and I found this. Wow. Yeah, this tree has been severely reduced, and I got that over there. So there's not much to this tree that's left. This is a lot of food right here that's gonna go to waste. I think a combination between the weight of the peaches and the serious rains that we got and winds, this is what happens. This tree went from 20 feet to 10. Wow. Oh well, I still got this tree over here, even though it's not producing this year, but I have that peach tree right there also. So I was gonna move this one next year, but I'm gonna leave it. And I'm gonna leave this as is because this has been like this going on a week and a half, 2 weeks, and it's still alive. So I'm thinking somehow the cadmium layer is still attached. So after this season, I'm gonna go ahead and just lop both of those off. As far as this, I have no idea what I can do with that. Maybe make a splint after the season's over. I'm gonna leave it as is. I may jack it up though. Find something to prop it up right here and then leave it. Then when the season's over, just cut it off. All right, I just noticed this from last night. It's a lot of food. All right, could you guess what's about to happen next? I got this, and this in a big bag. Rooting hormone. All right, stay tuned. Okay, there it is. That was my bright idea. That's what I came up with. So I asked you, what would you do in this situation? Would you do this? Would you let it go? Would you chop it off? These are not ready yet, so that's my question. What would you do? Is this crazy? Yeah, but guess what? It's creative. Whether it works or it doesn't work, it's creative. So I put some gel rooting hormone on here, and then I mixed up a bag of soil, and we just taped it up. So if it holds, we'll be able to collect all this year. If it doesn't hold, we won't collect it. If it does root, we got another tree. If it doesn't root, we got firewood. Either way, I never sit back and just let stuff happen. I always try to make some lemonade out of peaches. All right. I will do an update in another, let's see, today is the 29th of June. So middle of July, we'll be back. I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching.